Okay, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Sir, Madam. I'm Cheryl Espera Labukay. I'm married, 30 years of age. I'm blessed with 3 children, and I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education. My working experience here in the Philippines is that I have served a family with 2 couple and 3 children with a baby for 5 years.
Okay, Ms. Cheryl, how are you today?
Well, I feel very fine.
Okay, so may we know your main duties from your previous employer?
From my previous employer, my main duty is to clean the house and doing the other, like washing clothes and washing the dishes, and also tutorial for the kids.
Okay, so since you are a college graduate, why you don't choose to work that is suitable to your course?
I did not yet practice the course because I still did not pass the board exam to have a license to teach.
Okay, so why do you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Well, I choose to work in Hong Kong to have an income to support my family needs in the future.
Since this is your first time to work abroad, how will you overcome homesickness?
With the inspiration that I have in myself to earn income there, it would already guide me to overcome my homesickness to my family. Anyway, I can call them during my day offs, sir.
Okay, so how will you maintain a safe environment for the children?
Maintaining the safe environment for the children is that to prioritize them every now and then, to look up after him with presence of mind every now and then.
So, what do you think is the most important thing in taking care of the children?
The most important thing in taking care of the children is to give their possible needs, especially the food, regularly, and to look after them every now and then.
Okay, so how will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
If I have that situation, Madam, Sir, I would prioritize the baby. I would give the baby his needs, her needs, and then if the baby will asleep, I can already do some other household chores.
Okay, so do you have any message to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, if given opportunity to be accepted as your servant, you can trust me and I will do my very best to serve your family. Thank you, Sir, Madam.
Thank you very much and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.